Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is again on ticker symbol XELA, XELA, which is for Exela Technologies, and I have been making so many videos on XELA and we have been trading this one a lot, day trading, swing trading. This is a very good one and I can't get rid of XELA because I love XELA a lot. So anyway, in this particular video, I want to talk about the price action. I'll talk about the price action, the support, resistance, the trend it has been following. At the same time, I will touch a little bit on the earning numbers, little bit. At the same time, I also want to talk about the option activity, short interest, and so more. And hopefully, you will like this video. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community where I post a lot of things for the members and I share the support, resistance, so you know when to get in, when to get out. I post during the market hour as well as pre-market, so we can all make some money. It costs only a little. There is 2 plans, $3 per month or $5 per month, and you will make a lot of money hopefully. So anyway, so XELA was up almost 10% today, and even after hour it is up 0.3%, and it was down yesterday after the earning, but today it picked up again. So we will go through some of the earning numbers quickly. So the earning came yesterday and most probably you know about the earning. So the revenue of 293 million, net loss of 19.4 million, right? So the revenue actually declined 2.3% compared to Q1 2021. The healthcare solution revenue increased almost 10%. And also the legal and loss prevention service revenue grew by 14%. Also the margin increased. So many things I don't want to go through because most probably you already know about the earning numbers. But most probably you do not know that today, August 11th, in the morning, there was a news that Exela Technologies expands relationship with a large healthcare member engagement leader. So that was the news this morning. So the partnership connects members in many healthcare organizations, health insurers, and US government programs. So this is really big. I liked it. Now let's look at the price action, the overall price action. Let's see what's happening. So we know it went up all the way to 5.5, then came down again, tried to went up, came down. So I'm gonna turn on few things here. So first of all, this is a daily chart. When you look at the daily chart, you can see the RSI has been moving sideways. The MACD is still undecided which way to go. But if you look at the chart, you can see that this upper blue line is the line that is connecting the high, so it has been making lower highs. At the same time, this is the overall uptrend. If you think this thing is going in right direction long term, then this blue line is the line you should be following. As long the price is staying over this line, you can say the things are going in the right direction. So hopefully it will have a bounce and it will go up. So this is in the long-term daily view, right? Now I want to move from here to an hourly chart, but before that I just want to show you the important areas of support and resistance. So we have been talking about 2.5 and 2.6 as a good support, and you can see it came here, it bounced off. Then the next level we were really eyeing on 2.9 area. You can see these are daily candles, so almost 1, 2, 3 for so many days it has been bouncing off the 2.9. This 2.9 is an important area because it has been moving around. After that we have 3.2 and then we have 3.5 and 3.8. So anyway, I'm moving to an hourly chart now because I want to show you something. So if you look at the hourly chart here, right, so you can see the 3.2 has been acting like a good resistance. So we went there previously, came down. Maybe I'll just turn off the after hours, so we just talk about the real trading hours. So yeah, so you can see how it has been moving. So I'm gonna get rid of these lines here because I want to draw some new lines and I just want to show how things are moving. So I'm just looking at the recent price action, and on the recent price action I can go in different ways. So these two black lines are the trend on an hourly chart. So it has been making lower high. At the same time, it has been making lower lows, which is a downtrend. But within the downtrend, you can see you can make day trade or swing trade because it goes up, then comes down. So if it is happening, then for a day trader and swing trader, this is a good one, but for long-term investor this is not a good sign, right? So it has to come back. On the other hand, the blue line here, this is the overall long trend. So if it comes down and bounced off that blue line again, this is a good sign, right? And this is why the support resistance, these are so important. So if I look at 3.2 or 3.25, you can see it was rejected many times at 3.25. On the other hand, the area around 2.8, 2.9, this is acting like a good support. So as long we can hold 2.8 to 2.9, I think we are good. So today after hour, currently we are at 3.09. So we have to see if it comes down, can it hold 2.9 area? If it can hold, really great. On the other hand, if we can break 3.2, 3.25 area, I think we can say we are on the other side. The important thing is break through the black line and go upward. This is the most important thing. Now, looking at the trading view earning, it says there is a surprise of 26.6%. Okay, that's great. I'll take it. Now, on an hourly chart, you can see that the RSI has been going up, right? So this is good. And also on an hourly chart, if you look at here, you can see the buying pressure has been increasing. Now we have to see, can it go even higher or it will just reverse? So I also want to observe this stock for some time, because I'm long on this particular one. At the same time I'm observing, but whenever it will come to 2.9 again, I will just add more, because I have been averaging a lot on this particular one. Anyway, let's look at some other factors here. So on this particular chart, we have the blue lines here which represent daily volume. You can see we had large volumes here, then the volume has been dying. So we have to see how we are doing. Today's volume was good. As long there is high volume, this thing will go higher and higher. Look at today's volume. The average volume is 56 million. Today's volume is 55 million. Again, I can't say very low volume. It's an average volume, but whenever there is a spike in high volume, then it makes sense a lot. One other thing I also want to show you, that the short interest. So currently I'm in Fintel and I'm just looking at today's data. So today is 11th of August. You can see that 42% of share traded today were shorted. If you look at yesterday, it was 47%, the day before 46, 44, 40, a lot. So you can see that half of the stocks are already shorted. So people are shorting this a lot. And in Fintel, I can see the short interest ratio in total. So I went to Reddit and I was just looking at different posts. So many people are sharing this particular one, that 56% short interest, and I haven't verified anything, but I'm just looking at the post that it says 56.3%. so I do not know anything about it, but people are saying a lot, because after the earning it was coming down, so maybe people are just shorting it. But anyway, the price action is looking good, and whenever like the price action will go higher, that shorts have to cover. And so many posts happening in Reddit about short squeeze for XELA, short squeeze for XELA. So I do not know, but just wanted to share this as well. Okay, now let's look at the option chart, what big money, or you can say smart money, they are predicting. So for the option expiring 20th of August, after 9 days, there is 20,000 call options sitting at $5 strike price. So they are predicting $5 by next 9 days. There is also 13,000 call options waiting for the strike of $4, and current price is at 3.12. So these are two big numbers. At the other hand, look at the put option, 2.5 strike. This is what they're predicting. Anyway, now let's look at September 17th. Same thing, you can see for $5 strike price, 5,200 call options waiting. $4, 3.6 call options waiting. So big numbers are waiting for $5. Even for December 2021, $6 strike price, it has 3,500 call options. So you can see the spread between 4, 5 and 6, but most of the number I see by September is $5. So they are predicting big on $5, and why not? Like, the chart can just move bullish suddenly. So anyway, just looking at the chart, yes, we are in an overall downtrend, but if you want to make some quick money, you can always play with the chart. At the same time, if you're long, you will always want that thing to go up and up. Now let's move to a daily chart one more time, and I want to turn on some indicators here. So let's see the moving average here, and okay, I have so many indicators. So anyway, So respect the blue line here. As long we are doing good, maybe I'll just extend it. As long we have been maintaining this line, I think we are good. On the other hand, as long we break through the blue red black line here, we will go up. So anyway, I wanted to make this video super quick so that we know how the chart is moving. And in my community, I talk a lot about XELA almost every day, and if you want, you can just click on the join button, become a community member, and you can get daily trade ideas each and every day. I think almost every 1 or 2 hours you get something. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.